My body's little helpers. Last week, I felt all droopy and warm. My throat felt scratchy like a wool sweater, and my head was hot like a summer sidewalk. My mom said, "Time for a visit to the doctor." We went to a building that smelled like clean hands and new Band-Aids. A friendly nurse with a big smile wrote my name on a clipboard. The doctor came out to get me. He was wearing a white coat, and his eyes were kind. He reminded me of the doctor who helped me when I had to get my tonsils out. First, he used a special light to peek into my ears, like a treasure hunter looking for gold. Then, he used a little wooden stick to hold my tongue down and looked at my throat with his light. "Aha," he said, "it's a little red in there." He gently touched my neck and said my glands were a little puffy. It felt like he was checking for tiny marshmallows under my skin. He took my temperature and listened to my heart with his stethoscope. It made a funny thump-thump sound, like a tiny drum inside my chest. The doctor said he needed to do a little test to see what was making me feel sick. A nurse took a tiny bit of blood from my arm. It pinched for a second, but then it was all over. The doctor gave my mom some little pills for me to take. He said they were like tiny superheroes that would help my body fight the germs. I went home and did everything the doctor said. I drank lots of water, took my little superhero pills, and snuggled in bed for lots of rest. Soon, I was feeling all better and ready to play again.